Animal domestication is a complex process that produces morphological, physiological, and anatomical changes in animals compared to their wild ancestors. The silkworm is the only insect that has been domesticated to obtain commercially valuable silk in the last 7,000 years. Due to full domestication, the silk moth has detached itself from its wild habitat and have lost various morphological and behavioral traits. The silk moth, which belonging to the family Bombycidae, is also known as the native silk moth or mulberry silk moth. The silk moth caterpillar is commonly known as mulberry silkworm, which feeds exclusively on mulberry leaves and produces commercially valuable silk. Consequently, this insect has been fully domesticated for 7,000 years. Domestication has affected this insect in such a way that it has lost several essential traits that it would otherwise have needed as essential tools to survive in its wild habitat. For example, flight. Flight is one of the characteristic features of lepidopteran insect that is completely lost in silk, though they have pair of wings but are non-functional. Generally, flight is essential for lepidopterans to find mate. Due to domestication, silk moths do not have to fly in search of mate, since mating or pairing is done by human beings. In addition, continuous domestication also affects the melanization of the silk moth. Unlike other moth species, which are nocturnal and are dark in color, the silk moth is pale white in color. Domestication also had an impact on the oviposition behavior of the silk moth. Wild lepidopterans are very specific with respect to their oviposition behavior. The females are able to identify specific chemical cues conveyed to them by the host plant that help them to lay eggs on their specific host plant. Unlike their wild counterpart, female silk moths have completely lost the ability to analyze the chemical signals and so will lay eggs on any surface. The lost traits are essential for silk moth to survive in their wild habitat but are not required in domestic conditions, where these insects are completely taken care of by human beings.